Have you ever considered the profound and multifaceted effects of regular oat consumption on your holistic health? The idea of adopting equine eating habits may not transform you into a four-legged creature in appearance or smell. Thankfully, that remains the domain of folklore, but the reality of oats' transformative potential transcends mere culinary whims. Amidst the chorus extolling breakfast as the most important meal of the day, oatmeal emerges as a timeless symbol of healthy eating and vibrant living. Though often repeated, it proves its essential role in daily nutrition and vitality. In this comprehensive investigation, we take you on an enlightening journey into the countless benefits of oats, weaving a tapestry of nutritional insights, culinary inspiration, and wellness revelations that promise to redefine your perception of oatmeal. 1. Nourishing skin radiance. Oatmeal is the undisputed champion in promoting glowing and healthy skin and is a panacea for inflammatory skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and rashes. The rich source of essential nutrients such as zinc, iron, manganese, and magnesium acts as a powerful elixir that supports skin detoxification, moisture retention, and cellular rejuvenation, revealing skin that radiates vitality and radiance. 2. Muscle strength and recovery. Coming into the realm of muscle health, oatmeal emerges as an excellent muscle-building ally, providing a holistic blend of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats critical for muscle development, endurance, and post-workout recovery. Enriched with vitamin E, antioxidants, and monoglutamate, it increases muscle endurance, accelerates repair processes, and provides optimal performance during physical exertion. 3. Antioxidant symphony for cellular health. Packed with a harmonious collection of antioxidants, oats orchestrate a symphony of cellular health by harnessing the power of beta-glucan, a bioactive compound known for its numerous health benefits. The antioxidant-rich profile of oats paves the way for cellular rejuvenation, vitality, and endurance, from regulating blood sugar levels to improving circulation, lowering cholesterol, and strengthening gut health. 4. Stimulates vitality and satiety. The nutritional power of oatmeal lies in its role as an energizing elixir that provides a constant source of vitality and satiety that goes beyond mere nutrition. Its carbohydrate-rich composition accelerates metabolic processes, maintains energy levels, and suppresses untimely appetite, while a variety of essential minerals, including manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, zinc, iron, folate, and a number of B vitamins, contribute to overall well-being and optimal body functions. 5. Weight control alchemy. Oats reveal a treasure trove of weight management benefits thanks to their unique composition of slow-releasing carbohydrates, properties that make you feel full, and their fiber-rich content. From suppressing appetite and stabilizing blood sugar levels to encouraging fat metabolism and facilitating digestive efficiency, oats offer a holistic approach to sustainable weight management and overall wellness. 6. Cholesterol and cardiovascular health. Oatmeal's soluble fiber, heart-healthy fats, and cholesterol-regulating properties combine to maintain cardiovascular health, lower high cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, and improve arterial health. The inclusion of linoleic acid, beta-glucan, and antioxidant compounds ushers in a new era of cardiovascular health by ensuring optimal heart function and circulatory vitality. 7. Intestinal health and digestive resistance. Oats emerge as a powerful protector of intestinal health and digestive resistance thanks to its rich fiber content, prebiotic properties, and intestinal-friendly composition. Soluble and insoluble fibers improve the regularity of digestion, alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort, and nourish a thriving gut microbiome, paving the way for optimal nutrient absorption, digestive harmony, and overall wellness. 8. With the herbal lignans it contains, it has a protective effect on breast cancer and other types of hormone-dependent cancers and reduces the risk of developing these diseases. According to studies, oat consumption reduces the risk of breast cancer by 52%, especially in premenopausal women. In addition to our extensive research on the nutritional value of oatmeal, we are pleased to present a number of tempting oatmeal recipes that will satisfy your taste buds and brighten up your mornings. Apple pie. Oatmeal. Enjoy a symphony of flavors and textures with our delightful apple pie oatmeal. This culinary masterpiece combines satisfying steel-cut oats, velvety almond milk, aromatic cinnamon, sweet maple syrup, smooth applesauce, and tender apple slices. The combination of steel-cut oats and almond milk provides a satisfying base packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Cinnamon not only adds a warm, comforting aroma, but it also adds antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties to the mix. Maple syrup adds natural sweetness to the dish without overwhelming it with refined sugars. Applesauce not only contributes apple flavor, but also adds moisture and natural sweetness, reducing the need for added sugar. Soft apple slices provide a burst of freshness and a pleasant contrast in texture. This breakfast not only evokes the nostalgic essence of freshly baked apple pie, but also embodies the perfect harmony of healthy goodness and indulgent flavors that will please your taste buds and nourish your body. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Take a nostalgic culinary journey with our homemade oatmeal raisin cookies. It's carefully crafted using wholesome oats, finely ground flour, a pinch of sea salt, just the right amount of baking powder, rich butter, flavorful brown sugar, aromatic cinnamon, a hint of applesauce for moisture, and plump raisins for that burst of sweetness. The combination of oats and whole grain flour provides a satisfying texture and a hint of fiber, making these cookies a healthy treat. Sea salt not only enhances the flavor, but also adds trace minerals. Baking powder helps the cookies rise while keeping them light and fluffy. The butter adds richness and flavor, complemented by the natural sweetness of the brown sugar. Not only does cinnamon give cookies a warm, comforting aroma, it also brings antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Not only does applesauce keep the cookies moist, it also adds natural sweetness without excess sugar. Plump raisins add a chewy texture and sweetness, making every bite a delightful experience. These cookies are a symphony of textures and flavors that capture the essence of homemade flavor, the perfect treat for any occasion or as a comforting snack. Almond butter banana oatmeal. Enrich your breakfast ritual with nourishing almond butter banana oatmeal. This harmonious blend of flavors and nutrients begins with hearty steel-cut oats cooked to perfection in creamy almond milk. Then we add a dollop of creamy almond paste for richness, a drizzle of golden honey for sweetness, and sweet banana slices for natural goodness. The combination of steel-cut oats and almond milk provides an essential base packed with fiber, protein, and essential minerals like calcium and vitamin E. Almond oil not only adds creaminess and richness, but also provides healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. Honey adds antioxidants and antibacterial properties, as well as natural sweetness. Bananas not only contribute natural sweetness and a creamy texture, but also add potassium, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber to the mix. This breakfast dish promises to add vitality and vigor to your day and will satisfy your taste buds with its delicious blend of flavors. Keep following us